Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add an image into placeholder in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add an image into a placeholder. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for picture placeholder. That is now. This is your picture holder. Now select from picture holder option. Now something wait for a moment, then show the interface. Now click from a file. Now find your picture. Now click for choose for any picture, then click for insert option. That is. Now you can see add an image into a placeholder in publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.